everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to review a robotic pool cleaner by Aiper. Aiper is the best robotic pool cleaners brand out there, and I've already reviewed so many robotic pool cleaners of theirs. And guys, I'm so excited to review today the newest model, the cordless robotic pool cleaner, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. And guys, I'm so very excited to tell you all about this pool cleaner. Well, let's get started. I'm going to tell you all the tech details, and I'm so very excited because we had such a great time hanging out by the pool and filming this robot for you guys. Well, let's get started with the review. So guys, this is the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. This is a cordless robotic pool cleaner which works so very well. So guys, first of all, Aiper is the most famous, it's the biggest, and it's the best robotic pool cleaners brand out there. Aiper is the leading global brand in the smart yard ecosystem type of technology. And I am here today to represent the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. This one is the pinnacle of all-in-one pool cleaning robots. It's powerful and its precisions for perfect pools. This is your new poolside hero, and it even has a mode that's called Hero Mode. When it does it all, filters the water, cleans the water line, cleans the walls, cleans the floor, cleans the surface of your pool. So literally Aiper, it's all about to bring the vacation home, because once you are having a robotic pool cleaner, it's like a vacation forever while you are in your own house. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is having 40 sensors, 9 motors. It is an all-in-one cleaning solution with an ease. It works with 8500 of GPP suction, which makes it to be the world's first robotic pool cleaner, which is able to give 8500 of GPH suction ability. It also has 6 different adaptive cleaning pads. It has an extended battery life of 10 hours of battery life. Guys, this is a lot. This is the longest battery life I've ever seen, and I'm reviewing robotic pool cleaners for like the last 6 years. And it comes with so many different cleaning modes and with a smart app that you can connect to your device and you can control it while it is working. How amazing is that? It's a complete pool cleaning coverage for any possible thing. So usually, you know, the robotic cleaners, they can do the floors. Some of them can do floors only. Some of them can do floors and walls. Some of them can do floors, walls, and water line. These are the very, very fancy. These are the top of the market. But this Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max can do all of these: floor, wall, water line, but it also can do surface. Surface, it's very important, guys, because on the surface, all these debris, all these dead insects, all these like cockroaches, all these butterflies or whatever, they're all on the surface. So it's very important to clean your surface as well. And usually you will use a pool guy for these, or you'll clean it yourself. Well, no any more need for any of these, because Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max here gonna do all the job for you. Also, it's best at climbing the walls. It's like a superhero climbing the walls. It literally, I don't understand how it does it. It just seems unreal how amazing and accurate it is to clean the walls and the water line. Also, it is able to work with slopes, which is best for the type of a pool that I am having. So my pool is actually has tons of slopes inside of the pool, and that will be the best robot for that type of a pool. It also has a platform detection ability. So in general, it comes with smart sensors, which are ensuring a full coverage of the entire pool of yours, even if there are any type of slopes or any raised areas. It is also comes with an unmatched power for deep cleaning. This is the world's strongest suction ability at 8500 GPH. Already told you guys that, but must repeat. It is powered by a 9 motor systems. It also works with the patented MicroMesh Ultra-Fine Filter by Aiper. That type of a filter is unique to Aiper robotic pool cleaners, and this filter captures all the finest, even the finest debris possible. So this model came with an additional MicroMesh Ultra-Fine filters, so you are able, guys, to see how they look like right now on your screens. This is the famous MicroMesh Ultra-Fine Filter by Aiper, which does all this dirty job. Also, it works with an intelligent cleaning for superior coverage. It works with OmniSense Plus 2.0, which gives this robot 40 sensors, which are making this robot to be able to make a precise mapping of your pool. It also works with a FlexiPath 2.0 2.0, and it has an auto mode. So it's powered by a quad-core chip, which is delivering smarter and faster cleaning. So what happens is that once the robot is inside the water, it's gonna learn the environment, it's gonna understand and realize how does your pool looks like, as well as it's gonna create like a map inside, and it's gonna choose the best and correct and the most efficient path for your specific shape of a pool, for your type of walls, of floor, and so very on. It's true cordless. It even comes with a cordless charger. And Aiper always delivers the best. And they said, hey, the charging, we don't really like the cords. Let's make the charging to be wireless as the robot itself. So they created a true cordless design with up to 10 hours runtime of battery life. So all this ensures a tangle-free and worry-free cleaning experience. It ensures safety and efficiency. And of course that if we are talking about robotic pool cleaners, there's a lot of water involved, and usually when you will put your robot to charge back to the station, it's just freshly out of the water, so there is once again water involved. You don't want to mess water with electricity. This is why Aiper said, hey, let's create a wireless charging for this robot. How amazing is that? So I honestly love everything about this robot. It comes with lots of technology, of high-end stuff, and it's best for big pools. And it can take pretty much any type of a private pool of any shape and pretty much of any size, because it's able to do lots of work, and it's a big, serious robotic pool cleaner. Now guys, if I want to summarize, if I want to compare a robotic pool cleaner to the traditional way of cleaning, of course that the robotic pool cleaner gonna win big time. When you are cleaning your pool by the traditional way, imagine a pool guy. Well, you need about 4 to 5 different tools, and you need to switch between them all the time. Plus, you need to invest about 90 minutes of labor work per week. Plus, it is gonna cost you about $3,600 per summer season. Just this season, not even talking with you annually, but just the summer season on pool service, $3,600. That's in average per household in America. Well, why spending $3,600 when you can spend $2,300 right now? It's a press sale deal, so you only spend $2,300, not the $3,000, the full price. But there is sale right now, so don't miss the sale. So you can spend way less money. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is gonna only take you about 5 minutes of a labor work per week, and that's literally just to go throw the pool cleaner into your pool and to take it out when it's done. And it's one robot that is gonna cover every single thing. Any possible work you need to put in your pool, this robot is gonna cover it all. Plus, whatever you're gonna spend on this robot, it's gonna be enough for at least 3 years of everyday usage, especially during the summertime season. But there are some people using their pools also during the fall time, during the springtime. Some people has like heated pools, so they use them all year round. So this robot is gonna serve you for way less money. So it's gonna free up your hands completely, as well as it's gonna give you so much free time, and it's gonna save your money. And now guys, the coolest thing is that the Scuba X1 Pro Max can work under extreme environment situations too. So when I was filming the robot, it was raining and it was storming, like with lights, with thunders, it was crazy. And I was still able to let the robot run and clean the pool, and it did an amazing job. So even if it's storming outside, the Scuba X1 Pro Max was made for an extreme environment. It's still gonna work for you regardless if it's rainy, if it's stormy, whatever. It's gonna transform your dirty pool, especially if you're having any sand or any, small debris, into a crystal clear one.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Let me know, what do you think? I think it just went out really pretty. I love enjoying the pool, but I don't want to clean the pool. I just want to enjoy it and never clean it, never maintains it. So this is how and why the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max is here for us to let us just to chill, enjoy the summertime, enjoy the pool, enjoy our drinks, enjoy our snacks, and do nothing. Just relax.
just rest, and Aiper is going to take care of the rest. I love that it is a cordless design. It's definitely a big advantage for any robotic pool cleaner. So in general, I truly love this one. It was able to pick up every single thing from the floor, from the bottom of the pool. It was able to pick up all the sand, all the leaves, all the dirt, everything. So I'm excited to recommend you to check this cordless robotic pool cleaner out. Well guys, I will leave you all of the links, all of the coupon codes, sales, promotion, discount codes, every possible way to save some money of yours, so you'll be able to go check it out and get it maybe in a discounted price, because why pay the full price if you can get a discount, right? So guys, be so very sure to check Aiper out. All of the links, all of the coupon codes, every possible way to save some money of yours are going to be listed down below at the description box to this video of mine. And guys, I am extra excited about this robot. It works so very well, and it's designed in such a gorgeous way, just aesthetically pretty. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. I will see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.